Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you 5 side hustles that you can start this weekend. So if you want to make some extra cash without quitting your day job, keep watching to the end. Side hustle number 1 is offering microservices online like logo design, video editing, audio recording, photoshopping, writing social media posts and so on. You can sell your services on Fiverr or Upwork. These websites are free and make it super simple to get started and make money right away. Start by focusing on one skill and offer some higher paid services around it. For example, if you are good at graphic design, you can upsell your simple $10 logo design gig with a social media branding package for $100 or much more. The more services you offer, the more clients you can attract and the faster your income will grow. Even if you have never freelanced before, you can start small, build reviews and gradually increase your rates as you gain experience. Side hustle number 2 is selling printables and digital products online like planners, Canva templates, party invitations or printable posters and greeting cards. These products are low cost and easy to create and they sell very well on Etsy or Gumroad. If you want to open an Etsy store, use my invitation link in the description below and we will both get 40 free product listings. The beauty is that you can create a digital product once and you can sell it over and over again, and before you know it you have a whole collection. This is a fantastic way to turn your creativity into cash. You don't need to spend a fortune on materials and you can start with just one simple product. You can, for example, make a weekly workout or a meal planner, a wedding invitation card or a set of printable stickers. Once you see what works, you can expand your product line and scale it up. The key is to start small, test the market and improve your products as you go. Side hustle number 3 is flipping stuff you no longer use. If you have old clothes, books, music records, furniture or other items in your house that you no longer need, you can sell them online on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, Big Cartel or Mercari. These websites make it easy to find buyers. If you enjoy treasure hunting, you can even buy items from thrift stores, clearance racks, garage sales or online marketplaces and resell them at a higher price. It's a fantastic way to make money with little upfront investment. People are always looking for good deals online and popular items include brand name clothing, electronics, collectibles and home goods. Start with listing a few items, take good photos and write clear descriptions so people will know what to expect. This side hustle is low cost, flexible and can pay off fast. Side hustle number 4 is content creation. This one is perfect if you love making videos, writing or taking photographs. Basically, anything you enjoy creating can be turned into a side hustle. YouTube, TikTok and Instagram make it possible to share your art with a huge audience fast. You can start by posting one video or share a few photos of your designs each week. Experiment with different styles, topics or formats to see what resonates with your audience. Over time, as your followers grow, opportunities for sponsorships, ad revenue or freelance work can start rolling in. Content creation isn't just about making money, it's also about building a personal brand, expressing your creativity and connecting with people who share your interests. The earlier you start, the faster you can learn, improve and see results. Don't be shy and don't overthink it. Just pick a platform to share your passion and begin creating. And side hustle number 5 is offering your technical skills for cash. Beyond microservices, you can offer more specialized skills like web design or software coding on Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer. These websites connect you with clients who will pay well for your expertise. You can start by offering smaller projects to build trust and reviews and gradually take on higher paying work. The beauty of this is that you're monetizing skills that you already have and now it's time to start. Create your profile and start pitching your services. With persistence, you can start earning real cash in a very short time. And there you have it, 5 simple side hustles you can start this weekend. Let me know in the comments below which side hustle you're going to try first. A side hustle isn't just about earning more money, it's also about the freedom to create income on your own terms, to work when you want, and the opportunity to build something that could grow into much more. You don't need thousands of dollars or years of experience to get started. With a smart ID, free websites and a weekend of focused effort, you can launch something simple and profitable. Whether it's designing products, teaching online, flipping items, freelancing your skills or creating graphical content, there's always a low-cost side hustle that fits your personality and lifestyle. If you want a more detailed guide on how to get started making money with side hustling, you can download a copy of my book 5 Low-Cost Side Hustles You Can Launch This Weekend on Gumroad. The book is free for now, but you can leave me a tip if you liked the information inside. The book is packed with tons of useful tips and tools to help you get started fast with no additional costs. Okay, that's it for now. If you found this video of any use, please share it with your friends, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get all my latest money making tips first. Have a great day.